A straightened wire coat hanger can serve as a quick improvised tool for minor toilet maintenance when you lack specialized plumbing equipment. Start by wearing gloves and eye protection, and then unbend a metal coat hanger until you have a long, straight length of wire with a small hooked end. Use pliers to create a gentle hook about 1/4 inch across and keep the tip slightly blunt by folding it back on itself a little to avoid scratching porcelain. For clearing rim holes, lift the toilet seat and run the hooked end along the underside of the bowl rim to scrape away mineral deposits and loose scale. Work slowly and rotate the bowl while you probe each hole, so you do not force the wire into the jet hole. To check for simple trap blockages, remove excess water with a small cup, then insert the hooked end carefully into the trap area through the bowl outlet and feel for soft obstructions like paper or hygiene products. If you meet firm resistance, stop and do not force the wire further. After probing and scraping, flush several times to confirm flow, and then disinfect the hanger with a bleach solution or boil it if the wire material allows. Always discard the hanger after use or reserve it exclusively for plumbing tasks to avoid cross-contamination. If the clog is persistent, deep, or you encounter unusual resistance or corrosion, stop and call a professional plumber because improvised tools can make problems worse. Common mistakes include pushing the wire too hard and puncturing the bowl glaze, which can lead to cracks and leaks, so always use a blunt, folded tip and gentle motions. Another issue is mistaking mineral scale for a physical blockage, which can result in fruitless probing. If scraping the rim does not improve flow, consider using a toilet-safe descaler following product instructions. Lastly, many people reuse a coat hanger for general household tasks after it touched sewage, creating contamination risks. Either dispose of the wire after use or thoroughly sanitize it and store it separately. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share tips and experiences on small plumbing fixes like this one. We help contractors find work by giving them a place to connect with homeowners and participate in community conversations.